Hey, so I've got iPhone 6 here. It has a problem with the service. It says no service, searching no service. So this is not baseband CPU problem, because what I did, I put the O2 SIM card in, and as you can see it says no service currently. So when I dial star hash 06 hash, it shows me IMEI number. So that means that is not baseband CPU related problem. So from my experience, that is a transceiver problem. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the transceiver, and it should fix that problem. Because when you have IMEI with star pound 06 pound, so that's means your baseband is working properly. So that's not a baseband problem. So that is something else. So normally that is transceiver. Sometimes there is some cap shorted on this upper area, on this one. So we are gonna see for that one as well. This phone has been worked on already. Someone removed the shields, so it had a water damage, but I don't know. They didn't provided me any history of the phone. They just said it's searching no service. Okay, board looks clean. Can't see any water damage. It looks clean here. It is clean. Okay, this is the area I was referring to. Sometimes these gaps are shorted. In 6S, that is very common. I have seen in few 6 as well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly test these gaps. Surrounding. Okay, I have 326 voltage drop here, 400 something. Let's take this guy. This seems normal to me. So this phone is not water damage. I think that indicator just went red. Maybe it had a water contact at some place. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this transceiver. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna clean off the pads. bit more flux. I think that's enough. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna grab from donor board. I always replace that chip. I don't reball. So I'm just gonna grab it. I will try to grab it as it is so I don't have to reball it. But I couldn't, then I have to. You can see yep, I can use chip as it is. The balls are okay. You can see there is few balls, they are smaller. The one rest are okay. I think I'm gonna reball it because I don't wanna do the same job twice, so it will take only few extra minutes, 2-3 minutes maybe maximum. So I'm just gonna reball it. This chip from my experience is gonna work, but in case, because I'm just don't wanna do the work again, so for my satisfaction I'm just gonna reball it. My stencils are very dirty. I think I need to do ultrasonic cleaning on my stencils. They are full of gunk. Let's see which one is for WT. I think that's the one. Let's clean it. That's not the right way. That's not even though. How comes? Yep, that's the right way. Yep. Okay. So, grabbing my solder paste. See, there is flux in my solder paste because I didn't absorb flux. So this is a new solder paste. So I have to be a bit slow. And that's it. Reballing is done. That's it. Yeah, we are happy with our balls. So I'm gonna put that IC back. Bit of flux. That's it. This is the donor. think that is cool enough. So let's test it. Apple logo. We got auto signals. And there is only one signal, so should be more. Let's turn on airplane, because there is only one signal. Yeah, now we got two. Let's try to, because I have got bad signal here. There is one signal again. Maybe my antenna is not good. I'm gonna try another SIM card. Okay, I'm gonna try once more the same SIM card, and then okay, yeah, I got 3 bars now, because I got signal issue here. Says call failed. Again call failed. Let's try another SIM card. This E, I think this E is not working. Let's try new SIM card. Because I have some signal problem here on my place. Okay, update carrier settings. Yes. pairs. SIM card is not showing signals, so let's reset network setting, because sometimes we need to reset the network setting so software can recognize the SIM card properly. O2 I had 2 bars and then it dropped to 1. I know I always have O2 problem here. Sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't. But O2 is good network overall. Got E signal. Yeah, let's try helpline if it calls. Yeah, it is calling.
Saturday and Sunday. However, you can still self-serve or report your phone as lost or stolen.
So we got SIM card working. So let's try O2 again.
Welcome to EE. Customer services is closed right now.
Okay, so our problem is fixed. I'm gonna test O2 once more, just to make sure that every SIM card works. Yeah, I got O2 signals as well. So O2 is working as well. But not sure why I get only 1 bar on O2. Yeah, it's picking up now. Yeah, let's try helpline on O2 as well, because it was saying call failed on O2, which it shouldn't. Again, let's check if the antenna is connected properly. Yeah, antenna is connected properly. Maybe this SIM card have some problem. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to grab any other O2 SIM card if I have. Okay, I got another SIM card, because it should work. At least there should be 2 bars, because I know I always get 2 bars here. There's no service on this one. Let's reset the network setting once again, because it should work with all SIM card. It works perfectly with the EE. Before it wasn't. It shows O2 signals. It shows 2 bars and then it drop it to 1, and then it shows, because basically I get 2 bars here normally, and then it says call failed, which it shouldn't. Because it should work with all the SIM cards. You can see I got auto signal here. Now let's see if it calls even though. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's working. I got 2 bars. So that was the thing, because we had to reset the network setting, so it is all working up and running. So that's how we can fix that searching no problem issue in iPhone 6. But this, make sure this is not related to basement CPU, which is the one is very common. So you have to run U1 and V1 jumpers. In this case, this is not the same, because we had IMEI number when we were dialing *#06#, and it was displaying the IMEI number, but we still had no service. So what we did, we just replaced the transceiver, and we are up and running. Okay, let's test once more just to make sure.
Welcome to O2
Yeah.
Pay and Go. Top up, tariff, and
I got 2
bolt-on
bars,
service.
which I normally
To top
have
up,
here.
press 1. To hear your
So that's all for this video. I hope you will enjoy this video. I will see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.